And there are two main programs that you can create a separate data source in. There is actually a third, but you don't have to create that. You just have to add records to it, and that's Outlook Contacts. So one is Excel, which we're in, and the other is Word. And we're going to start in Excel. And if you're familiar with Excel, you know that it just has cells and you just type them in. So I just select the first one, row 1, and it is a very good idea to start on row 1. Makes this so much easier. And then you just put in your headings. So if I just go and you can put in as many headings as you want. They don't necessarily have to be in the mail merge. Let's see if it was staff. I could put like hire date, or I could put appraisal date. That kind of information. Then right below it, no blank rows. You want to put in all the data. So maybe the first one is I don't know Basildon's code, so I'm just going to guess. Actually, it might be a CM1. There we go, and you would just continue down. And then you just save this. Okay, so I'm just going to save this as data source. And always try and name things so that you know what they are, and then save, and that's it. Now if I was in Word, I can create the same type of data source by using a table. And all I do is I go Insert, Table, and insert however many columns I need, and then go through and type in the headings in the first row. Wait till it catches up. There we go. And then you just type in the data right underneath. So etc. And again, with this data, you would then just go through and oops, completely the wrong postal code. Whatever. You would just go through and add as many as you want. You don't have any blank rows. Also, if you notice, address goes onto 2 lines. It's just wrapped. If you have too many columns for an A4 or a letter size paper, then you don't have to worry about that. I mean, this is why some people feel it's easier to use Excel, because you don't seem to have that kind of restriction. In Word, it doesn't matter whether the columns are expanded like this or right down to almost nothing. They will still merge okay. As with Excel, we save our, there we go. As with Excel, we save our document Oh, I've gone into my SkyDrive. Just go to the computer. And save this again. And that is how you create a data source.